Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Hadin ke Jingalang juga kunhun Menteri Sorkar, banyak keren halo ke Jingjia ke belajar hakisnang Mukroh. Menteri rang baka jelau Konrad Kongkel Sangma, ulihat hu baka Sorkar ke Lashim Mekarai, ba haka arp sautre unai wing arhajar arpuar, kin lej bani kendu yo Menteri ketnat kampo iyeng ke Sorkar pedeng, ban pentip sepang ke Jingjia, ban Dawaru, badai ban Phah Tohkit, da ke CBI lani ke NIA, Halor ke Jingjia ke belajar ha Mukroh. Kawai pat karai bala Shim kalong ba on pensange anak shwaya borok ki program yang Sorkar kom ka jingple mau nong rem bat kiwai pat tat hadu ka lai potri unai wieng arajar arpuar bat ka Sorkar kalarai ban pensange no e borok kita masa ki bala bu sngi ban pelong hakini ke jela tat hadu ban dapen penada kumoi pat nalor ke jing Dawa ban Phah Tohkit da ka CBI lani NIA ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kala thau ka kenhun jong ka SIT ban Tohkit banyak ya ka Jingjia kat bompat wan ka kenhun Tohkit jong ka CBI lani NIA bat ya ka kenhun Tohkit jong ka SIT on kle da UDIG jong ka Eastern Range bat uns IT ka kaipot ba ulap ha ka kenhun Tohkit ka banwan na ka Sorkar pedeng menteri rang ba ula pentip ba ka arpulai teri unai weng menteri rang ba bat kiwei pat ki menteri ken lek ngolem sha ka yeng ka sem jong ki lanot bat ken IT ru ya ka song jingrap na ka liang jong Sorkar.
The details of the incident were discussed and a report was given by the officials. And apart from that, the Honorable Home Minister of Meghalaya had made a visit also to the spot and to Mukroh village. And he had come back and he had briefed us on the information and the reports that came from ground zero. After all the discussions that we had, few very, very important and critical decisions were made. I would like to divide the discussions into two parts. The first would be the cabinet decisions. So first, the cabinet has decided that on the 24th of this month, which is day after tomorrow, a cabinet delegation will be meeting the Honorable Home Minister of India, and we will be officially informing him about the firing incident that took place in Mukroh village, and we will be demanding that an investigation be made by a central agency, either NIA or CBI. Number two, we have also decided as a government that, keeping in mind the incident that has taken place, the very unfortunate incident, that all official government programs, including foundation stones or inaugurations of any programs or any government official programs, will be suspended till the 30th. And only after 30th will we take up the programs as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Third, we have also decided that all festivals of the government of Meghalaya in any part of the state, all the festivals will be cancelled and none of the festivals will take place. As mentioned, that this is a very unfortunate and very sad incident that has taken place, and hence